That's a 2002 Ranger. It's got a 5.0 engine. Then you have a 4-link in the back.
Dude, look at this wrap. Hey, what's up guys? We're out here in Coos Bay, Oregon, and we found another pre-runner guy, Oscar Carota. Oscar, why don't you tell us, where are you from, man?
I'm from Baja and live in San Diego, and I moved to Oregon 18 years ago.
And what brought you out here?
My brother-in-law is like, get over here, it's nice and everything. And
it's a different scenery out here. The trees, the water everywhere. You don't get that in Southern California or Baja too much, huh?
Yes, we have all 4 seasons.
Yeah.
We got the dunes, you got the oceans, you got the forest, you got a desert.
Our buddy Ryan with the Fiberworks truck was telling us about it too, that there's a desert, and you were saying it's pretty big, huh?
Yeah, that's his backyard. Ryan is the man over there, is the king. You need to call him to get a permit to go in his backyard.
Yeah, let's talk to him.
Yeah, desert, it's got trails, mountain bikes, dirt bikes, kayaking, hiking, hunting. And Ryan, they have the biggest dunes in Oregon.
Wow.
Up there, they're huge. Yeah, Christmas.
I didn't even know there was a desert side to Oregon, and I didn't know that there was dunes out there either. That sounds pretty cool. Do a lot of people go out there? Do people go riding and off-roading?
It's far away and everything. Yeah, family goes, camps over there. Yeah, okay. It's very cool. You guys need to
check it out.
Check it out one of those days.
That sounds like a cool little tour we might be able to do.
There's so many things to do here.
Heck
so,
yeah.
I have to build something so me and my wife, we can have fun and enjoy this beautiful weather and
the awesome roads. And here it is right here, man. Very cool. So who built this thing, man?
Well, we have a friend, Alejandro.
Yeah.
Alejandro. Baja Racing Shop. Alejandro Murillo.
Here we go, right there.
Ensenada.
Heck yeah.
Alejandro built this up from the ground. Very honest guy. He built it the way he said it. He finished the day he said he's finished. He sent me the keys. And
there we go.
And there we go.
How did you get into this stuff? I mean, I think just growing up in Baja, right? I mean, you kind of grew up around all the, I see the score, you got the score on there.
Well, growing in Baja, yeah, that's the main thing.
You go to the races.
Yeah, go to the races, get a co-pilot there or do something and
have some fun.
Yeah, have some fun and
Where did you like to watch the races over there?
In Ensenada.
Ensenada, just right in the city, huh?
Yes.
Awesome.
That's the place.
One of my favorite spots to watch out there is Ojos Negros.
Okay, deep there.
Yeah, right off like the big roaming hills, those big jumps.
That spot is the
it's
best.
Special, huh?
I think so.
Yeah, I mean, and the people in Baja, they love off-road, huh?
Yes, that's in the blood.
It's in the blood in Ensenada, man.
Yes,
it's part of it,
Yep.
Very cool, man. It's like I think like off-road with people from Ensenada and Baja is like surfers in Hawaii. It's just hand in hand. It is what it is.
Exactly.
Huh? Wonderful.
So we want to bring it over here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what year and make and model is it?
That's a 2002 Ranger.
Okay.
Extra cab.
Okay.
With a 4-cylinder.
Okay.
But it's got a 5.0 engine, 5 liter.
Okay.
And Alejandro built this.
All the
suspension.
upper lower arms, yeah. It's a real beefy spindle right there.
Yes. Bump stops.
Yep.
KC lighting under.
Yep. Right up there. The Cyclone light?
Yes, and actually all this truck is Pro Wire USA.
Oh, okay.
Everything is from that brand.
Okay.
All the electrical.
Okay.
And everything is plug and play.
Excellent.
Everything.
Easy peasy.
Alejandro, he knows how to get down, and all the electrical is beautiful. All
Excellent.
the sensors, dashboard, everything. Pro Wire USA.
Pro Wire
That's
USA.
the name, yes.
Awesome, awesome.
And yeah, IRS, fiberglass in Baja.
IRS. Okay, so this is like a new fiberglass shop or something?
You know, they've been in a while there. They're still there.
Yeah.
But the brand is not like...
Yeah, they're growing. They're
growing. They're good.
That's
so
cool.
When they build this and they install it, they came back and resurf everything and make sure that everything match is square. So you're not just buying the fiberglass and install it.
Yeah.
They do it for you there and make sure that everything
nice
stick together.
And are those guys in Ensenada?
In Ensenada.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very cool, man. Do you know how much wheel travel there is in this?
Yes. Right here I got 14 inches of travel.
14, okay.
It's a strap.
Okay.
Strap.
Nice.
And you have
We got a coilover bypass.
Coilovers.
Bypass, there we go. 2.5.
Triple bypass, yes.
It's very, very clean in here. Love it.
Thank you.
A nice 2.0 bump stop right there.
Yes, sir.
Hydraulic bump stop.
Yep.
Running the Kings. And then what's up with the tires and wheels on this thing? You got some methods?
Well, I don't have VF Goodrich. This is Oregon.
Yeah.
Coopers are great for the icy roads, wet, mud.
Yeah.
Cooper is the way. You got...
Well, that's cool. It's an aggressive sidewall.
Yes,
I'm sure
sir.
You know. Yeah.
All terrain.
All terrain right there.
You got quick release air bulbs there to air down.
Very nice methods right here we got on this thing. Now, they did a good job painting everything too.
Yeah, everything is
so clean.
Steel it.
Sprayed. I'll steel it?
Steel it.
Okay.
The whole thing.
And then I'm sure, like, bringing it out to the salt water, you know, the air, the ocean air everywhere, the steel it holds it down, huh?
Look.
Okay.
It's been 2 years, and I don't have rust anywhere.
Yeah.
So steel it.
So you drive this thing on the road out here?
Yes, this is street legal.
How is it driving something like this out here? Like,
it's very comfortable inside. The seats, they're very comfortable. You have overdrive. You can go 90 plus hours in the freeway.
Yeah.
And then you can go off-roading. So it's very easy to handle and everything comfortable, yes.
Nice, heck
yes.
Yeah. And I love the Oregon pride up here, dude. That's cool, man. That's what's up right here. Very cool. We got it up here too, huh? Oh, dang, all right, there we go. Heck yeah, man. That's what's up, dude. I love it, dude. You embraced Oregon. You are what is it? How do you say Oregon? Like a person from Oregon. An Oregonite.
Oregonian.
I don't even know. Oregonian.
That's true.
I don't even know, bro.
Yeah.
I'm an idiot. Sorry, guys.
Check it out.
Let's check it out. Take us to the inside. Okay, cool. Let me go around. Let's hop in this thing. Super clean. Great body lines, too. Awesome, man.
So here I am again with the fiberglass, IRS fiberglass in Ensenada.
Nice.
They do a beautiful job and stitch it everywhere. You got odometer,
gauges.
Yeah. Quick release, UMP steering wheel.
There we go.
And Alejandro make this adjustable. And the seat, you can roll it back and forth. That's a cool thing.
Oh, super comfortable, man.
And well, you got GPS. You have AC.
Really?
You have AC.
Oh my God, luxury pre-runner, bro. That's what we call it, right?
Shut off switch.
Battery cut off, yeah.
Overdrive, mob armor with a tablet on with internet.
Wow.
That's very cool.
And your buddy's shop did all of this, huh?
Yes, Alejandro.
Dang, look at that. So
he knows
clean,
how to
you
get
guys.
down on this.
And I see you got your GoPro right here. You know, we got the KC Cyclones up here too.
Yes.
Got some headsets over here, and we got a seat for the kids.
With the grandkid.
There we go, dude. How does a grandkid like this?
Oh, he loves it. Every time you jump in, he goes to sleep.
Isn't that funny how they go to sleep? Yeah, it's the motor.
Every time. Every time.
Awesome.
Enjoy it.
Dude, look at this. This is really cool too.
The roof liner.
Yeah, the roof liner looks great.
So the seats, they make those in Ensenada too.
Okay.
And they're very comfortable and very Very, very strong.
Who makes these, or is this a company, or?
It's a guy in Ensenada, Alejandro.
Alejandro knows everybody.
Yes. Your measurement, your weight, and everything, they ask you before they build it. They're not building it for everybody. So they check your size, weight, and everything, and later they build it for you.
I love it, dude.
Check it out. It's a good boy.
Very, very cool. Cool, man. Awesome, man.
Oh, thanks.
Well, it looks good, dude. I love it, man. Very, very clean inside. Amazing looking dash.
Power
Very
windows,
cool.
power locks.
Cool. So we're in the back half of this thing. So this is the same glass, right?
Same fiberglass. IRS fiberglass. Ensenada.
Very cool. And then what size is the fuel tank in this?
35 gallons.
Okay. There we go.
Recovery boards.
Yep.
Of course. Pro Eagle jack.
Got your jack
Number
right
one
there.
with extension.
Little storage area right here.
Yeah, we have Alpine.
Okay.
Send me these straps.
Oh, nice,
Sorry.
dude. Very cool.
Alpine off-road for the straps for this truck, and
there we go.
you have a fire extinguishers. You need to have it,
Absolutely.
especially here in Oregon, because in summer it's been a lot of fires.
Okay. So you never know, not only for your car, but for something else.
Yes,
You
for
never know. Yeah.
fire. Make sure that you have extinguishers. If you're not off-roading, make sure you have one in your car. You never know when you're going to need it.
Absolutely, guys.
And
Oscar has some good advice right here, man. We got the Kings back here. We got the 2.5s, right?
you got Fergola lines.
Very
Fergola, those guys are pros.
Excellent, man.
And you have
I love the double shovels, by the way.
Hey, Costco, dude. That's from Costco, yeah.
I love it.
And they've been working for the sand, not for the dirt.
Costco finds, bro.
Yeah,
That's
man,
the best.
they're
I
good,
love
yeah.
it. Heck yeah.
And then you have a dual battery Optimus Marine, because in Oregon rains a lot. You need Marines. It's better.
Yep, protects everything.
It rains for 8 months, so you need to have those.
Yeah.
And then you have your chasing light,
Yep.
KCs.
Got your rear lights right here.
Yeah.
Got that rear light bar right there, the chase light. Dude, this is a great looking truck, man. I've never seen this truck before. It looks freaking awesome.
Yeah, thank
It looks
you.
awesome,
Thanks to
man.
Alejandro. He's a man.
He crushed it, huh?
You got 37s, BF Goodrich with a Grip King. It's a guy in LA,
Okay.
in San Bernardino, I think. Grip
Okay.
Kings, shout out for that guy.
Yeah.
He sent me those
Excellent.
via mail right away on my door.
Excellent, man. Let's
Yeah.
go. Heck yeah.
Then you have a Ford Link
Okay.
in the back with a Courier axle, 35 spine,
Yeah, 35
spool.
spline. Yep, there it is.
positive, and look at those links. Alejandro make all that.
Yeah, it looks great, man. How much wheel travel you got back here, buddy?
In the back, I have 32
Wow.
strap,
Okay.
but you can go more if you want, but I
Yeah.
don't need it.
No, yeah, that's great. That's good. And by the way, we didn't even talk about this wrap. Dude, look at this wrap. It is freaking awesome. What kind of wrap is this called, or what is this style?
Actually, it's a guy in Tijuana, Mexico. When they build it in Ensenada, Tijuana Graps,
Okay. And he did a great job.
and
I like it, bro.
he did it, and
I love it.
no rewards. It's
And
good.
I love this, like the Oregon duck right here too. So
Yes,
so
sir.
what sport do you watch in Oregon, man? What's your sport?
In
For
Oregon,
the university, what?
football,
Football?
softball, baseball,
Excellent.
Oregon Ducks.
That's the team, bro.
Yeah,
Heck yeah.
and yeah,
Very cool.
thank you.
Awesome, man. Well, dude, you killed it, man. You know, this truck is looking phenomenal. I think it's a great representation of pre-runners out here, you know, and I think Oscar's doing it right, man. He's doing us justice, right? Us pre-runner guys justice. Killing it, inspiring people to build these things, turning a lot of heads, I'm sure, too, you know?
And I hope you guys come over, Terra crew and
Yeah.
more, and start bringing more people and have fun. And
I love it.
thanks for having me, guys. Appreciate it.
Excellent. Heck yeah, guys. So there you guys go, man. Just hope you guys enjoyed this episode with Oscar and his efforts to bring pre-runners to the Pacific Northwest. Very, very cool. If you guys want to hit him up, we'll put the link to his Instagram here. You guys can check out the truck in person if you guys are from the Pacific Northwest. And if you guys have any questions for Oscar about anything that we mentioned on here, you guys can put it in the comments. We'll ask Oscar to check out the episode when it comes out. And thank you so much, bro. Super stoked to have him. Enjoy, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Big thanks to UTV Takeover for inviting us out. So stoked to be here, guys. An amazing event, amazing people, wonderful time. God bless. Later, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.